So when I'm preparing for a photo shoot, I like to have a plan A and a plan B ready when it comes to equipment. This is an SL2 from Leica, and this is a M10 monochrome. And I normally have also extra battery, the chargers, and another lens. This one is a 90mm camera, and this one is a 50mm camera that I like to work with because I think it has a more natural look for a portrait. I also take with me extra memory cards so that I have a plan A and a plan B ready if ever I need to switch cameras or to switch lenses. So I normally shoot with a 50mm or a 90mm lenses, and the reason I do that is because I like them to have a more natural perspective when it comes to a portrait, and it doesn't distort so much the image, and as well it doesn't distort so much the depth of field. Normally I like to have another camera with me, not only because I like to have a plan B, but as well I like to have options. And this is a great camera that I love to work with, and it only does black and white photos. So if ever I want to do other options as well and have a different approach to the subject, to the sitter, I also like to use it. And it allows me to do black and white photos and create new ideas during the photo shoot. As this camera, it's my always safe bet. It's the SL2 from Leica. I like to have them two together with me so I can improvise freely during a photo shoot. I think when you're taking pictures, you can have your own equipment, and all equipment is amazing as long as you know how to use it. So technology and equipment here, they're great. They allow us to have this encounter, but in my opinion, they can be secondary. So if you're a beginner, or if you have a semi-professional camera or a compact camera, that doesn't stop you from making amazing portraits. So this is the equipment I use. I like to work with natural light, with diffusers and reflectors, as I like to respect the atmosphere of the place. But if ever I see that I need more light, I like to have with me a strobe with an umbrella, for instance, to use on the sitter to fill a bit the shadows. For the natural light, I like to use a reflector or a diffuser, and the way I use it, I open it up and I use the tripod and this support to hold it together. And if ever I see that I need more light, I like to use the strobe that I also use the tripod and this transmitter that I put in the camera, and an umbrella, for instance. It's very simple and it's easy to carry around. I also take with me a cable in case the transmitter is not working. And this is the basic kit, but if you don't have any of that, you can simply work with natural light, and a little bouncer and a reflector like this one can help you light up the sitter very well.